Let's make a Duke's Mayo Latte. I had this idea, came to me in my sleep, let's make it a reality. Duke's mayonnaise, powdered sugar, hot water, espresso. First things first, we're just going to make a quick little simple syrup. Hot water, sugar. I'm using powdered sugar. Don't ask me why. Like I said, this came to me in a dream. Not one, but 2 heaping spoonfuls of Duke's mayonnaise. We're gonna let that come up to a simmer, whisking the entire way, making sure not to curdle any of the eggs. This Duke's simple syrup, if you will, came out quite nicely, and I think it has this nice, light, airy viscosity to it. So I've gone ahead and pulled my espresso shot, and I've steamed some milk. So the moment we've all been waiting for, Duke's simple syrup into my mug, along with the espresso. Use my bar whisk to emulsify it a little bit more and pour my milk. So now that the latte is made, it's not the prettiest, but that's okay. And we're gonna go ahead and garnish with the Duke's simple syrup. This is literally the latte of my dreams. Let's see how it turned out. Has science gone too far? Hear me out though, I did taste the sauce a little bit. The simple syrup. It's like real good. Obviously this isn't sponsored, but it has that twang. It's sweet, but it's also has like a little bit of umami to it. And it's gotten me way more optimistic than I was before, because I thought about just drinking the latte without trying what I put in there, but it's pretty good. Pretty normal smell. Yes, that's correct. You saw me go for 3 sips without saying anything because I couldn't believe it. If I secretly put this on a menu and just called it the sweet and savory latte, the Quincy special, the try it before you knock it latte, people would be like, yeah, this is pretty good. B+, don't at me. I don't know what to tell you. That's it. If you don't believe me, try it at home. Bring a jar of Duke's into your local coffee shop. I mean, it's like 5 ingredients. I'm not even on Twitter, but I'll fight you on Twitter. It's a good drink. I don't feel good about drinking it. Like, I feel like the ratio of Duke's to all the other ingredients is like pretty high, and I don't want to put that on my heart. But like from a flavor standpoint, it's great. I know people in Roanoke, my hometown, are gonna be like, haha, you did that for the cameras. Yeah, you're a Duke stan. It's good. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and culinary experiments. Is there a strange coffee concoction you're dying to see me make? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for checking in with Cafe with Q.